Empire Strikes Back.
Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Stove.
Okay,
Hi guys, I'm Danielle.
so I'm Ren. I'm the Papa.
Hi guys, and welcome.
You stove.
Hey guys, and welcome back to welcome to the Lucky Stove. And yeah.
Just stop.
Come on, friends.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Otherwise, the government will listen to your every move and watch your every sentence.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the Lucky Stove. I'm Danielle, and today we're talking more about the 21 Elimination Day diet. Fantastic, right? I know. So you're probably wondering, what are you talking about, lady? The 21-day elimination diet from Dr. Stephen Cabral. Well, you're probably saying, well, what is it? Well, it's a low-carb type of diet protocol in which you're eating less. You're limited in your root vegetables. There are no grains still, which is okay. It's a low glycemic foods, which means that your blood sugar is not going to be going up and down and crazy. And it's low inflammatory. So again, doesn't that sound a little bit like keto? What do? Well, this is what you do. You grab a simple, fantastic breakfast, and you use less energy by blending it with it's a smoothie, delicious mix, and that helps to decrease the amount of cortisol that builds up in your body, which turns into fat. Nice, right? I know. So you're probably wondering, yeah, well, what do you need? This is another gimmick. No, it's not another gimmick. And you know how I feel about foods. If you can't get foods affordably, if you can't do things yourself, then what's the deal, right? Okay, so what do you need? You need your hand for measuring. If you don't have a hand, it's okay, because you can use a measuring cup. How are you going to pick it up? Just ask somebody. But you need a blender. You can get or you can get those little personal blenders, that you can use and you can put on the countertop. You need a smoothie bottle for shaking, or a shaker bottle, at least 20 ounces, because that's how much shake is going to be in there. So you need clean oils, just like in keto. So that's, I had coffee. That is coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, those types of things. And you need organic foods that are budget friendly. But if you can't, then do the best that you can. You need a quality protein powder. And that is either grass-fed or vegan. That's what it is. The best way that you can get all of these, because you need all the multivitamins and the minerals and all of these things, is just by going to Equa.life, where you can use the daily nutritional support shake. It has all of that. It's a protein powder, and it has all of those the minerals and the vitamins. And then with that, you would grab the red-green fruits and vegetables, which has 22 plus fruits and vegetables inside, so you don't have to worry about buying anything else. If you're not going to use the daily nutritional support, is to grab your own vegan protein powder or whey protein isolate, grass-fed, like I said. You need to get the blendable vegetables such as spinach. If you do kale, it's very difficult to digest. You're really helping us to build the empire.
Empire Strikes Back.
No, the empire doesn't strike back. It's the empire, the Envision Health empire. The empire that we're trying to build so that way we can help other people get healthy, get off their medications, become stronger human beings, spiritually and emotionally. And not only that, but be able to share their experiences and help other people along the way. That's very important. That's what we want to do. That's what we've been striving to do since the very beginning. And now we have opportunities to do it. If you're not going to do that, it's okay. we can still be friends. It is not a forced thing. The whole point is so that way you and I can get healthy. Let's do it together. You know me, keeping people healthy, one forkful and budget friendly at a time. So, if you're not going to do that, you grab your vegetables at the store. You want to make sure they're blendable. Spinach is the most neutral, I have to tell you, and that's nice. Kale, don't do it. It's not easily digestible. Shakes you will have for breakfast, okay? So it's only 3 meals a day. Why? Because between that time, your body is burning fat, baby. Burning that fat. Make sure you plan for the next day. Boil your eggs the day before, so you don't have to worry about it in the morning of. No reason to rush. You're going to be intermittent fasting from 12 to 16 hours when you go to bed. So from the time you eat your dinner to the time you go to bed, you should be intermittent fasting. Why? Because you're not going to be snacking. No snacky weight loss, people. Drink half of your body weight in water in ounces. I know. I don't like water. You can have ginger tea, unsweetened. If it's sweetened, use stevia. Stevia, not erythritol. I know. Just use the drops so that way it mixes easily. Stevia, the real stuff, the real stevia. Monk fruit is also fine, but I can't get monk fruit here, so for me it's stevia. And when you have your 3 meals a day, you're going to walk after every meal. I know. You're thinking, why am I going to walk after every single meal? It's because you can get your 10,000 steps in that way. You didn't say you're going to exercise. I know. You probably don't want to move your body. I know. But it's great. It's great if you do. And I'll tell you why. Because if you do, you will become more flexible. Your body will love you more. You'll be able to sleep better at night. All of the things. Okay? Walk after every meal. I don't. I don't. But I work. I drink my breakfast. I go to work. And I work as a housekeeper. Okay? So I'm constantly walking, moving, shaking it, doing it. If you work at Amazon, that's different, friend. Do you? If you don't work at Amazon, walk. Now, what does all of that look like? Like this. And this. And this. And that. Oh, delicious. Let me tell you, I enjoy this way of eating. And you're probably thinking, well, why? Well, first of all, you gotta remember, I was a diabetic, right? I say was because I've reversed it. I'm not even gonna play. I reversed my diabetes. I check my blood sugar every morning when I can find my glucometer. When I can find it, my glucometer, I check my blood sugar every morning. I am very good. I'm not higher than 6. That's for deciliter. Yeah. Millimoles per deciliter. I'm not higher than 6. That's fantastic, guys. I'm not, even with keto, I was kind of getting like a little off. I could kind of feel it, but it wasn't keto. Let me get that straight right now. It wasn't keto. It was my eating patterns. It was the things that I was doing instead of not eating strict keto. Now, here with this elimination diet, I'm on my this is my 3rd week starting today. And as a matter of fact, this will be the last week because we'll be in the 3rd week. I'm going to start implementing my, first I'm going to have my cheat meal. It's not cheat, it's flex. The last
thing I want to say is this. I'm eating really delicious food still, just like I was eating on keto. When I was eating my ketogenic diet, I was eating delicious food. No joke. Right now, what do I miss? Dairy. I miss my cheese. I miss my cream cheese. I miss my cheese. I miss my cream cheese. I miss my butter. But you can still have ghee. You can have ghee, okay?
The whole point is this is an elimination diet. 1, if you forgot, to make sure that you are eating foods that make your body feel good. You figure out what makes your body feel bad, and then you decide for a responsible standpoint to go ahead and either eat it or not. Okay? So what's next? Part 3. Part 3 is next, where I'm going to give you some quick tips for dashing out of the door. Okay? So you're going to have to stay tuned, because at this point, I will have added at least 1 or 2 items into my repertoire, and I'm really excited about it to see what it is. And guess the first thing is going to be? Comment down below. Comment down below. What is the first thing that I'm going to add into my meals? And if it makes my body feel good, what's going to stay? I want to know. And then, what would you add into yours? Are you doing this with me? What did you add into yours? Let me know, okay? So I'm really excited about this. Do not forget to join us, to jump on Instagram with envision_whole_health. That's envision_whole_health, where we are taking everything and putting it in one, so that way you can get the best of the whole shebang, the whole enchilada, if you will. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me here at Type 2. Here, look, I must need to do this podcast, because the second time I said thank you for joining me at Type 2 Take 2. Thank you for joining me here at the Lucky Stove. May your stove bring you luck or a coupon, and make sure that you mind your own macros. Mind your own vegetables.
Okay, guys, don't forget to comment down below. Guys?